Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Anil. Today, I am going to speak few lines about yoga. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that connects our body and mind. The word yoga means union. It teaches us to unite our body and mind through postures, asanas, breathing, pranayam, and meditation. Through different postures and breathing, yoga helps us stay fit, fight diseases, and reduce stress. It builds focus and discipline. Practicing yoga every day will help us lead a healthy and happy life. Thank you.